This is gonna be hard. Welcome back to the House Bowling. I'm Packy, and today I have a challenge where we're gonna try some backwards bowling. Last fall, a guy named Jim Cripps shot 300 bowling backwards. Roll the clip.
Come on, ball! Be there! Yeah!
So we're gonna try and recreate that today by shooting a score of at least 100. Those were our warm-up shots. Wow, they got our balls. If we're gonna bowl backwards, yes, I saw the guy shoot 300. Yes, he used a full approach. I think if I try and use a full approach, this is going to be an absolute. Let me get 2 warm-up shots for the camera. Do I get two warm-up shots? But also, if this strikes, it counts. Oh, a little too much sauce on that one. That's definitely warm-up. For some reason, I got to the bottom and I just tried to hit it a little harder. I just have to keep it on the lane. That's all I have to do. Maybe I try a full approach? How would that work? Did that look good? No?
No.
Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. I'm just looking forward, trying to hit that pole. Wow. I'd been lining up like this to try and, because I know my arm just wants to like keep hooking it, but that one went exactly where I lined up. So change the adjustment a little bit. The 3 goals of the game: make a spare, bowl a strike. That one's gonna be very hard, and bowling 100, which is also gonna be very hard. 100 might be a little overkill. I think 50 is a good score here. I could just hear it hit nothing. Straight in the gutter. Might have needed a couple more warm-up shots. By a couple, I mean about 45. Maybe I use a 10-pound ball? Frank, what do you think is a good score? Backwards? Yeah. You ever tried that?
Buddy, I don't think you get to 50.
You don't think I get to 50? I said the goal score was 100. We're currently sitting at 0. So stop looking, you're making me nervous. God, that made it further down there than the last one. I think the 10-pounder is the way to go. I also didn't feel like I didn't have control of the 14. I just don't know how to throw it backwards. Shout out to Jim Cripps, because he shot 300 and I'm 0 for 3 in terms of keeping it on the lane.
He might have to come show us how it's done.
He might have to come show us how it's done. So I'm gonna use a little angle like I did before. Welcome to the House Bowling and our how to shoot the lowest game possible challenge, where you throw it in the gutter every time. I'm bowling like Prather. That's right. When it comes to these silly challenges, he's the worst at them. I gotta have him on the channel more often. Really boost the self-esteem. This is the one. I'm tucking my pinky, I don't know why. Oh! That was my closest one yet, Holly. 5 shots in, sitting at 0. We're gonna adjust the standards. New 3 goals. Keep it on the lane. Just once. If I shoot 50, I'll be happy. I would even say go from maybe making a spare all the way down to like, let's keep it on the lane twice during a frame. That seems like a more realistic goal. I don't know how that guy does it. Jim, teach us. Teach us your ways. He does like a full approach too. He's like, gives him the Barnes release and then he just, wham. Not me. A little more angle. Facing this way now. Close. I was letting you know that if that hopped out of the lane and got a pin, I was keeping it. I was keeping it. 50 seems like an unattainable score. There isn't a 3-frame stretch that I can't have to bring me to like, okay, here we go. More angle. That's gotta be close. Hit some pins. Oh. My ball's just hooking too early. It's just, is that what's happening? That one was close. Maybe I gotta stand further to the left. I thought I could throw it across the whole lane, but I've moved 10 left. Okay. Maybe we'll throw it straight in the gutter. I'm worried about this gutter over here though. Oh, that's good. Kept it on the lane. I was all upset that I split, but we're good. From this point on, this is the start. I might not miss again. I'm gonna move like 2 right. Oh, right back in the gutter. This is so hard. For all of you people out there, try this one time. Try this just once. Just one shot. Maybe in league. And you know what else they should try one time? Subscribing to the channel if they really like these videos. If you want to see me embarrass myself on a weekly schedule, maybe on a semi-daily, follow along. Have all of them gone in the left gutter?
One went in the right.
Quickly too, right? Damn. That's close.
Double digits, baby.
Got to 11. I need to get pins on the first shot so I have a chance at a spare. Got some spectators making me nervous. It was 100, and now my target score is 50. The goal was to bowl a strike and a spare during the game. The goal is now to have a frame where I keep it on the lane twice. I'm on pace for 22. I got it, okay, I got it. That's close. This is my chance to complete my first goal. Keep it on the lane twice, whole frame. There's just this massive hook spot in the middle of the lane. Yeah, could you rerun them even though they're fresh? I'm gonna practice on this pair afterwards. I would say I'm really dragging the oil down there, but the ball doesn't stay on the lane more than half the distance. So I got a chance for a spare. I need to focus, guys. I need to focus. Maybe move a couple back to the left. I just gotta find a way to, if I throw it in between my legs, that would be the best strategy, but I feel like that's like cheating.
Yeah, I would say so.
We're gonna keep trying. I'm just gonna try and stand straight up and down and just not hook it. That's what I'm gonna try and do. How come I can't throw it straight? I'm not even trying to hook it. 50's looking pretty far away, guys. Is it better to throw it like this or like this? Fingers first or thumb first?
Whatever you've been doing, try the other one.
I'll go fingers first then. And just throw it straight, right? I feel like that was close though. I got 3 frames left. To get to 50, I need 2 spares. I could get away with 1 and some really good count. I'm gonna try and freaking zing this thing down there. Why do I keep throwing it? I need a slow motion video replay. It just hangs up on my thumb, it looks like. I'm gonna go fingers, I'm gonna go thumb first now. I'm gonna go the other way. Oh, this pocket's wide open too. This just feels horrible right away. This does not feel good, but we're doing it. That pocket was wide open. I don't know how I didn't strike on that one. Probably because it went in the gutter at 10 feet.
You're worrying about the rack when you have 16.
I'm just saying that pocket was so open. I've only kept it on the lane 3 of my 16 shots. Maybe if I really come at him a little more sideways. What do you think? Come at him a little bit like this. Damn! Frank, do you have any tips? Do you have any tips to this? Keys to the castle?
Your alignment is off.
Okay.
Yeah, straighten your swing a little bit.
I don't know how to do that. It feels straight.
All I know is I went to get coffee, it took me 3 frames, and you're still on 16.
Okay, Frank, we'll go more angle this way. And it'll just, the swing is the swing, you know? You told me my alignment was off. I fixed it too much.
Like that golfer that slices it so he aims into the next fairway and just hits it dead straight.
Also, that golfer you speak of that aims for the slice every time and then finally hits one straight, I am him. I am that golfer. You know what? I'm gonna play the slice. Bangs it into like two fairways over. That's me. I'm gonna try and hit Frankie with the ball. Oh! To think that somebody shot 300 doing this, tip my cap to you, sir. How does he do it?
Breaking records.
Breaking records. This is officially the lowest score ever shot on the channel. 16. I'm putting up some Chris Prather numbers right now. This video might be over, but I'm not leaving until I get a spare. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, click subscribe down below and let me know if you guys think of any fun challenges, or if you guys have ever tried this one, let me know down below in the comments. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for sticking along all the way to the end. Peace. Maybe I just suck at this.